Hi guys, Lance here again. Today we're going to go through and set up your subdomain. Now I like to use my main domain like we've already set up, and then I use subdomains around my main domain. It's just the way I find it the most easiest. So here's my daughter. We'll go into our Clickfunnels dashboard just to show you something. Click up here on account settings. If we just go down here to domains, so you'll see here my main domain is www.generationclicks.com, and my subdomains here and here, this is the OFA subdomain, this is the .com secret subdomain. So that's the way I like to set it up. So what we want to do is we want to go to our Namecheap dashboard. Now before we go any further, if you want to toggle around to your products, your domain list, apps, etc. You've got this taskbar down the left here. You've also got up here on your account tab, you can scroll through them here. But today we want to click on the, you can see our main domain here, we want to click on the Manage tab. We want to go over here and click on Advanced DNS. Now this is similar to when we set up our main domain. Add new CNAME record. Now this time, the host is what you want to put in front of your main domain. So instead of www, you would have OFA like I have here, or DCS for .com secrets. Whatever some people put info or support. It's really up to you what you put as your subdomain. So today I'm just going to put info. The target is the same. You will still type in target.clickfunnels.com. Okay, you always want to be putting that. That's what points your domain or subdomain towards Clickfunnels. So you always want to be putting that. Leave the TTL on automatic and click on Save Changes. Now that's saved, we can go back to our dash. Actually, it's not a dashboard. Go back to our domain list. Add new domain. Use existing domain. So up here we want to write in our subdomain. So mine is info@generationclicks.com. We want to click Add Domain. Now this is the same message we got when we were adding our main domain. It's adding the CNAME record. We have already done this, so we click I have done this step. And congratulations, you are done again, but not really. So we want to go and click down here again, just show me my domains. Now you'll notice the same thing again. This is not secure. So we do the same thing. We jump over and go into edit. So this time, with our subdomains, we want to set them up to the funnels we want them assigned to. So when you have designed a funnel, they will come up in here. Okay, so if you click over on default page, click expand, your funnels. So I already have one set up for .com secrets. I also have one set up for the OFA challenge bridge page. So the other two I have set up. So you would just choose which funnel you would want that subdomain assigned to, and then you would click save. Now down here, you would, for this is so if someone mistakenly types a wrong letter when they're trying to type your URL or something like that. So you want to have this the same. You want to go down and pick the page or the funnel that you want your name, your domain or subdomain assigned to, so that then when they make an error, it would still, as long as it's a small error, it would still go towards your subdomain. Then you would click save once you've done that as well. Now the same step still applies. We still need to set up our SSL. So we would go in here, add SSL, and then like I said before, sometimes it can take a wee while. You can try a few things like refreshing the page, or just checking it by, you would click expand again. Once you'd added your SSL, you would click expand again, and a little check now button would come up here, and you just click on that, and normally that works. So once you have done that, you will then come back to this page, and this would have turned green, this would have turned to secure, and you would be all done. Right guys, cheers.